Where to go overlanding in Arizona, Smiley Rock, Bloody Basin Road to Sheep Bridge, Backway to Crown King. Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the rugged heart of the American Southwest, Arizona, a state revered by overlanding enthusiasts worldwide. With its diverse landscapes ranging from vast deserts to towering mountains, Arizona stands as a prime destination for those seeking adrenaline-pumping overlanding adventures. Get ready to witness the untamed beauty of Arizona's backcountry, where every turn unveils a new story and every trail promises an unforgettable experience. So buckle up, gearheads, as we venture into the heart of overlanding paradise. This is the Overland Times, and this is where the journey begins. Smiley Rock, an epic off-roading odyssey in Arizona. Picture this, you're deep in the heart of Arizona's untamed wilderness. The engine of your trusty high-clearance 4x4 purring as it navigates the rugged terrain. Your destination? A hidden marvel known as Smiley Rock, a remarkable sandstone formation grinning mysteriously beneath the vast desert sky. Smiley Rock, with its enigmatic smiley face-like pattern etched into its surface, is your primary goal. But the journey to reach this natural wonder is an adventure in itself. You'll need more than just your typical tires. All-terrain treads are a must. The trails leading to Smiley Rock are a symphony of challenge and thrill, where your vehicle's capabilities will be tested to the limit. The timing of your expedition is crucial to ensure the best experience. To avoid the scorching Arizona heat, plan your visit for the milder spring or fall months. Whether you intend to spend a few hours or a full day hiking and capturing the jaw-dropping scenery, dress appropriately in layers and sturdy hiking boots, as the terrain can vary from easy forest roads to challenging rocky sections. Safety is paramount in the wild, arid landscape of Arizona. Each adventurer should carry at least 2 liters of water to stay hydrated during the journey. A full tank of gas is also essential, as you'll embark on a lengthy 53.8 kilometer loop trail. This adventure calls for careful preparation. As you embark on this journey, you'll quickly discover that solitude is your companion. The Smiley Rock Trail is a well-kept secret known primarily to dedicated nature enthusiasts and off-road devotees. In this remote corner of Arizona, the only crowds you'll encounter are the flocks of birds that grace the skies. Bird watching here is exceptional, and you might even catch a glimpse of wild turkeys as you navigate this tranquil wilderness. Here's the crux of the matter. Smiley Rock's adventure can be deceptive. The trail starts gentle, lulling you into a sense of ease, but then things get interesting. As you approach the infamous rock garden, the challenge intensifies, and you're in for a true off-roading experience. If your vehicle lacks the right clearance, this is where the problem can arise. Be prepared with essential equipment like a winch and spare tires, for the path often leads through creek bottoms filled with boulders, a scenario that can make even seasoned adventurers a bit nervous. The journey can get rough, but the rewards are bountiful. Around 80% of the route remains relatively manageable, offering you a taste of the wild beauty that Arizona has to offer. However, the true test lies ahead, marked by the rock garden. It's here that the difficulty spikes, and if you don't have sufficient clearance, you may need to think fast. Our own adventure in the 2022 stock Bronco Badlands edition involved some clever rock stacking to get through these challenging sections. The key is to approach it slowly and steadily, both for your safety and the well-being of your vehicle. In the end, the journey to Smiley Rock is a tale of duality, an adventure that offers moments of serene isolation, only to surprise you with a burst of heart-pounding, off-roading action. It's a place of solitude and natural beauty, where you can conquer formidable trails while immersed in the wild Arizona wilderness. So prepare your vehicle, ensure you have ample fuel, and embark on this unforgettable off-roading odyssey to discover the hidden gem that is Smiley Rock. It's a journey that will etch its own grin onto your memory, just like the rock itself. the beauty of Sheep's Bridge via Bloody Basin Road. If you're seeking the ultimate off-roading adventure, look no further than the treacherous yet captivating Bloody Basin Road, leading you to the historic Sheep's Bridge in the heart of Arizona's wilderness. Our journey commences amidst a desert landscape that stretches as far as the eye can see. Bloody Basin Road winds through the arid expanse, offering up a vivid display of the raw beauty that defines this region. Along the way, the Agua Fria River makes its presence known, snaking its way through the arid terrain, adding an extra layer of intrigue to the journey. The Bloody Basin Road leading to Sheep's Bridge is an experience that harmonizes the stark beauty of Arizona's desert landscape with the thrill of off-roading. It's a journey that weaves together history and adventure, all set against the stunning backdrop of the southwestern state. So prepare your vehicle, embrace the challenge, and set out to explore this remarkable trail. It's an adventure that will etch itself into your memory as a true Arizona classic. At the heart of this adventure lies Sheep's Bridge, a true historical marvel. This bridge isn't just a feat of engineering. It's a time machine that transports you to a bygone era when this barren landscape was transformed into a hub for adventurers. The bridge itself is an ode to the past, reminding you that you're following the paths of those who braved the wild for you. To embark on this rugged journey, you'll need a trusted vehicle. While most can handle Bloody Basin Road, it's best to bring a high-clearance vehicle to ensure a smoother ride. Equipping your vehicle with all-season or all-terrain tires is a wise choice, as they'll provide the necessary grip to conquer the ever-changing terrains that lie ahead. The ideal time to start your adventure is in the spring and early fall, when the weather is most forgiving and the wilderness awakens in a symphony of vibrant colors. The beauty of this journey lies in its adaptability. Whether you prefer a half-day trip or a full-day adventure which stops to soak in the stunning scenery, the choice is yours. Dress comfortably in outdoor attire, and most importantly, don't forget your hat to shield yourself from the relentless Arizona sun. Staying hydrated is crucial, so carry 1 to 2 liters of water per person and ensure your vehicle's tank is full, with extra fuel for safety. This 143.6 kilometer out and back trail near Coors Junction, Arizona is generally rated as moderately challenging, catering to a wide range of enthusiasts. It's a popular spot for camping, fishing, and off-roading, yet even during busy spells, moments of solitude await. The best months to embark on this adventure are from March through November, ensuring the most enjoyable weather conditions. But it's vital to heed the experience of those who ventured before you. While the initial stretch of the trail is a breeze, the landscape undergoes a dramatic transformation after about 24 kilometers. You'll soon find yourself navigating several water crossings, and following that, be prepared for roughly 11 miles of unrelenting rock garden driving. Many travelers have stories to share about SUVs, a VW, a Jeep, and Dodges, all displaying battle scars in the form of lower body panel damage. High clearance isn't a mere suggestion here, it's a necessity. The road leading from I-17 is a relatively smooth journey and reached with captivating vistas and historical ruins to explore. However, the final 11-mile leading to Sheep's Bridge represents an entirely different challenge. This is an untamed primitive stretch riddled with rocks, ruts, holes, and washouts. To conquer this part of the trail, adopt a patient approach and navigate with care. Upon reaching the overlook to behold Sheep's Bridge, your patience and perseverance will be richly rewarded. The view of the Verde River flowing gracefully provides a striking contrast to the rugged terrain you've just traversed. It's a moment of serenity and a direct connection with nature, underscoring why this adventure is a must for any off-roading enthusiasts. A thrilling off-roading adventure on the Backway to Crown King. To conquer this rugged terrain, you'll need a trusty high-clearance 4x4 equipped with all-terrain or mud-terrain tires. These rugged treads are essential to handle the ever-changing landscapes and to provide the necessary grip when the trail turns particularly challenging. Timing is key, and we recommend embarking on this adventure from late spring to early fall, when the route is most passable. Dress in layers and don sturdy hiking boots to prepare for shifting weather conditions. Your adventure starts with a full tank of gas and extra containers of fuel for safety. Hydration is crucial, so make sure you carry at least 3 liters of water per person. As you tackle this demanding trail, you'll likely encounter other adventure seekers exploring the area, as the Backway to Crown King is open year-round and incredibly popular for off-road driving. Plus, it's a dog-friendly trail in some areas, so feel free to bring your 4-legged companion along. The journey isn't just about conquering challenging terrains, it's a living history tour. Along the way, you'll explore historic sites that provide a glimpse into the region's rich past. Most of the trail is manageable for the average adventurer, offering a mix of ease to moderate terrains. However, be prepared for a few challenging sections that may test even stock vehicles. The steepest part comes in the final 4 miles and has deteriorated over the years, exposing more rocks and forming deep ruts. While aggressive stock vehicles with good articulation can still make their way up to this trail, you might need to get creative, perhaps stalking rocks or using a tow strap to surmount this challenging segment. It's all part of the adventure, enhancing the sense of accomplishment as you conquer each part of the trail. The diversity of experiences along this journey is what sets it apart. You'll explore the historic site of Crown King, wander through pine forest, and soak in panoramic vistas that paint a breathtaking picture of the wilderness. Be sure to keep an eye on the trail's difficulty and ensure you have the right navigation tools and recovery gear in case of emergencies. But the adventure isn't confined to the trail itself. The journey leading up to it is equally thrilling. Traveling in a group of at least 2 vehicles enhances safety and adds an extra layer of camaraderie to the adventure. As you return in the evening, the darkness adds a new level of thrill to the journey, making it a distinct adventure in itself. This adventure is more than just off-roading. It's an exploration of Arizona's wild heart, a test of skill and determination, and an opportunity to connect with the state's rich history. Whether you're driving a UTV or a 4-wheel drive vehicle, the experience promises exhilaration and a sense of accomplishment. So gear up, rally your off-roading crew, and get ready to conquer the Backway to Crown King. It's an adventure that will leave you with unforgettable memories and a lasting appreciation for the rugged beauty of the Arizona wilderness. We hope our adventure have fueled your passion for overlanding. Join our community for more exciting content, tips, and destinations. Share your favorite overlanding memories and dream destinations in the comments below. Your engagement keeps our community thriving. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and keep exploring one trail at a time. Safe travels. Subscribe now.